Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going over some of the kit that I've bought for the Dragon Rally that's coming up in a couple of weeks. Stick around, stay tuned to find out what I've got. Okay, yeah folks, as I said, this is the part of my Dragon Rally prep. A couple of nights ago I went to go outdoors, picked up some things, and I've ordered a load of stuff on Amazon, which is in boxes. So yeah, we'll find out what I've actually picked up. So first thing that I went to get was this sleeping bag. This is the Pod Beast. It's a 3-season sleeping bag. I'm probably going to need a 4-season sleeping bag, but the reason I like these is they're a bit bigger, they have a bit more room in them, and I like a bit of room when I sleep. So yeah, picked up one of these, and we'll find out how well that works actually on the trip itself. So that's a sleeping bag. As well as that, I've picked up a travel towel, because I've never actually had a travel towel. I've always used a normal towel, so we'll find out how well a travel towel actually works. But it's nice and light, nice and compact, and that was from Go Outdoors as well. As well as the sleeping bag, I've also picked up a sleeping bag liner, which is designed for it as well. It's not a fleece one, it's not a silk one either, it's like a polyester type one. But hopefully that will stave off a bit more of the cold than just the sleeping bag itself. So yeah, nice little small sleeping bag liner. I've also picked up some gas this is for a Jetboil, but I've actually bought a Jetboil knockoff. But it's the same screw attachment and everything. So yeah, hopefully that'll do the job for making coffee and cooking bacon rolls in the morning. And lastly is a frying pan that's small and light for cooking. So yeah, hopefully that does the job on that front. Okay, now on to the boxes and stuff. I'm going to be taking my Leatherman with me, but I need to use it to actually open some of these. So, but on the first one's a little envelope. So, pull that back and find out what's in it. Aha! So, canister stand for the butane gas holder, so that it keeps it level, doesn't stop it moving around. And this one feels like tent pegs, I think it is. I've bought 2 different sets. Yep, so that's tent pegs. Oh, they come in a nice carabiner clip and everything. Let's have a closer look at these. He says if you can get in them. So yeah, nice carabiner to keep them tied on. And there they are, Y-shaped down that way. So hopefully that keeps things nice and secure, because I'm expecting the ground to be a bit soft. Get back in. So yeah. Here's one. And here's the other one. They're made by a company called Odoland. That's them. But yeah, I think they were £10 a set or something. You get 6 of them in there, so that should be plenty from those ones. Now we're on to the first big box. Remember kids, knives are sharp. This one especially so. So let's see what's in here. Here is my Jetboil knockoff. And set of rubble sacks. Now these are going to be used to keep things nice and waterproof. and also when it gets cold or wet, or to keep my feet dry, pop them in a set of bin liners. Nice waterproofing, easy waterproofing. But yeah, a set of yellow bin liners, so they can actually be seen. And here we go. This is the jet boil. It's made by a company called Fire Maple. Here's the cooking solution. It's made by a company called Fire Maple. It's the Star X1, and he says if you can get in it. Ooh. Okay. Comes in a nice little bag, like that, and yep. So the outside of it's got a nice neoprene liner. It's got a nice handle like that that folds. Got polypropylene top. Underneath there's like a heat exchanger type deal here, and we'll open it up. Some sort of measuring device, I'm guessing. A cup and the actual burner itself. It's got a piezo start on it. And yeah, it's just a screw cap that goes in there, and just a simple valve. Open and closes it. What's it got right in here? Use outdoors only. Yep, that'll be getting used outdoors. Yeah, there it is there. It goes like that. And pop in the actual thing it should do. So if that's folded up, oops. Come on. That goes like that. And this should actually fit in there as well, to some degree. Nope. Oh dear. Yeah. Right. Yeah, this should fit in here. Let's try it that way. That should fit in there too. I think that there is a way to fit it all in. I'll just need to try and find that out. But whether or not I want to will be another question. Goes in there like that. That like that. That on top. Back in the bag. Stick it back in the box just now. So that's that box. This one. Oh. Let's see what's in here. A real paracord to make my own guy lines, handy. And what are these? A survival blanket. I'm hoping to line the top of my tent with that to trap heat in, as you can see. And set of snow pegs just in case. I'm hopefully not going to need these, but they're a bit more substantial than normal tent pegs, so hopefully I don't need them, but we'll soon see. And in this one, we've got a camp chair in that one, and 2 stuffable pillows, and this is hand warmers, instant hand warmers. So, hopefully, with all that kit, I don't catch hypothermia while I'm out, and actually sleep quite comfortably. And I've got someplace to sit as well, which is handy. But as well as the camping gear, I've got some new motorcycle gear as well. So yep, new motorcycle gear. In this case, it is the Oxford Rain Seal suit. It does fit. I have tried it on. I do look like Lala from the Teletubbies in it. But again, my equipment, my Oxford Mondial jacket and Mondial trousers should hold up to the task. But in the event of needing some more substantial waterproofing, I've got the Rain Seal suit, and I've also got some new Oxford Montreal gloves, which fit very nicely. These and the suit were bought from Mega Motorcycle Superstore. Motorcycle Mega Superstore. The one in Swindon that occasionally has a very nice sale and you get a lot of really nice stuff, really good. This one even has a little wiper on your finger for your visor, like that. So yeah, that's a proper good bit of kit, these. So hopefully they keep my hands nice and warm and dry while going on the Dragon Rally as well. So yeah, next time you check in, I'll be doing a packing list. If you've liked this video and you want to see more like it, you want to support me and help me through doing these, make sure to like and subscribe. It does help. It helps me out. It helps me know what I'm doing. It helps me know what sticks. Let me know what you think of what I've got. Hopefully I'm not going to catch hypothermia while I'm there. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, thumbs up. It's all good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.